This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook XO sauce. First, gather your premium ingredients for an unforgettable flavor. You will need about 3 ounces of dried scallops, 2 ounces of dried shrimp, and 4 ounces of Jinhua ham. Fresh aromatics like 8 cloves of garlic, 3 shallots, and 2 red chilies are also crucial. Have 1 1/4 cups of cooking oil, 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, and 1 tablespoon of sugar ready to go. Begin by rehydrating the dried scallops and dried shrimp separately in hot water for about 30 minutes. This makes them tender and easy to shred. Once softened, finely mince the scallops, shrimp, garlic, shallots, and red chilies. Take care to dice the Jinhua ham into very small, consistent pieces. This ensures a balanced texture throughout your delicious sauce. Start by heating 1 1/4 cups of cooking oil in a large wok over medium-low heat. A heavy-bottomed pot works well too. Carefully add the diced Jinhua ham and fry it until it turns crispy and a beautiful golden brown color. Remove the ham from the oil, setting it aside, then add the minced garlic, shallots, and chilies to the fragrant oil, cooking them gently until aromatic. Now, return the fried ham to the wok, adding the minced dried scallops and dried shrimp. Incorporate 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine and 1 tablespoon of sugar, stirring everything together thoroughly. This mixture needs to simmer very gently over low heat for about 45 to 60 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent any ingredients from sticking to the bottom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.